So you're getting this message that this connection is not private, but you know it should be. So a few things to try doing. First, make sure the website you're going to is definitely secure. So as for example, try something like apple.com, try YouTube. Go and refresh it. So next what you want to do is turn off the Wi-Fi. Turn it back on. So if you have a VPN, you also want to try turning it off. So next what you want to do, if that does not work, go into your settings. Press on General. Press on Date and Time. So you see for me it's set to 2000. Press on Set Automatically. So now when you go back it should work. Yep, there you go. So if it's still not working, press the three dots. Press on Bookmarks. So you're just going to query web history. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully one of these helped out.